Before you skip this video or assume this is just another pair of wireless earbuds, stop for a moment. Because what you're about to see might completely change your expectations from budget-friendly active noise cancellation earbuds. Today, we're diving into the Tozo NC9, earbuds that promise premium features, powerful noise cancellation, crystal clear calls, and immersive sound, all packed into a compact and stylish design. But the real question is, do they actually deliver in real-life use? Can they handle daily music listening, phone calls, gaming sessions, and outdoor noise without falling apart? From the moment you open the box to the instant you put them in your ears, every detail matters. Comfort, sound quality, latency, battery life, and even how smart the app experience feels. In this video, we're not just reading specs off a box. We're testing how these earbuds perform in real situations, how smooth the controls feel, how effective the noise cancellation really is, and whether they're actually worth your money. So if you're planning to buy new earbuds, or you're just curious to see how much performance Tozo has packed into the NC9, make sure you watch till the end, because this might be the earbuds you didn't know you needed. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the Tozo NC9 Active Noise Cancellation Earbuds. This model comes in multiple color options, such as black, ash, gray, green, red, and metal, making a total of 7 colors. You can choose any one according to your preference. The unit we received is the black color variant. It features 6 microphones with ENC call noise cancellation, hybrid active noise cancellation, a built-in LED battery level display, and 10mm dynamic drivers. So let's first unbox it and see how it looks and what items are included inside the box. After opening the box, we can see some cards inside. One of them includes Tozo's chat support and customer support email information. They have also provided a quick start guide and a user manual. On the side, inside the box, we get a small Type A to Type C cable for charging. Underneath everything, we can see our main product. There is also a small packet containing different sizes of ear tips, so you can choose and adjust the ones that fit your ears best. The ear tips are made of silicone and are very soft, which should feel very comfortable when worn in the ears. So this is our main product. We removed the top sticker, and here we can see an LED display. When you open the lid, it shows the battery indicator, displaying how much battery each earbud has and how much charge is left in the charging case overall. The case is made of plastic and has a very simple, lightweight, and minimalistic design. On the back, we can see a USB Type-C port for charging, and next to it, there is a reset button that can be used to reset the earbuds. On the top, there is Tozo branding engraved nicely. It looks very clean and premium with a matte finish. The case is small, compact, and gives a very stylish, smart, and elegant look. Overall, it looks very eye-catching and modern. Now let's take the earbuds in hand and see how they look. These are the earbuds. You can see 2 magnetic charging points that allow them to attach magnetically and charge inside the case. We can also see a microphone hole here, an LED indicator light on the back, and another microphone hole. The Tozo branding is engraved on the earbuds as well. Both earbuds are identical with no visual difference between them. They are very lightweight, which is something Tozo earbuds are known for. Even though the build is plastic, they look quite good. Now we will connect the earbuds. We bring our mobile phone, turn on Bluetooth, and scroll down. As you can see, Tozo NC9 appears in the list, and a pairing dialog box pops up. We tap on pair, and it connects instantly. The process is very easy and smooth. Everything feels quick and simple. Now let's play some music and check the touch controls. The area where Tozo is written acts as the touch control section. From here, you can play or pause music and perform other actions. Now we will check which touch gesture performs which function and how the controls work for music switching and volume adjustment. One feature of these earbuds is that both sides have different controls. For example, double tapping the left earbud takes you to the previous song, while double tapping the right earbud takes you to the next song. Single tapping the right earbud plays or pauses the music. Pressing and holding the left earbud lowers the volume, and pressing and holding the right earbud increases the volume. On both earbuds, a single press answers or ends a call, and pressing and holding rejects an incoming call. Triple tapping the left earbud changes the mode and switches back to normal mode. A single press on the left earbud activates ANC mode, and pressing again switches to transparency mode. Triple tapping the right earbud activates the voice assistant. All these controls work together, but you need to get used to using them. Now we will wear the earbuds and see how they fit inside the ears. These are small earbuds and should fit nicely. First, we take the earbuds out of the case. You can see the ear tips, and you need to insert them into your ears with the tip facing downward. When you place them this way, they attach perfectly inside the ear. Just follow the same method shown here. Once placed, they attach very nicely and stay securely in the ear. I am wearing them now, and they feel very comfortable. Now let's play some music and see how the sound quality is. The earbuds fit very well in my ears, and the music sounds very nice. All the touch controls are working properly, and the switching experience feels very smooth. For general music listening, the performance is very good. Now we will test gaming performance to see if there is any lag. Gaming performance is important because if there is no lag, it makes the earbuds almost perfect for mobile use. I have previously used the Tozo NC9 and didn't face any lag, but still, I will play an FPS game now to test it properly. After playing for some time, I can say that there is no noticeable lag at all. Every sound, including gunshots, weapon switching, and movement sounds, is delivered perfectly in real time. Another interesting feature is that these earbuds have a companion app. You can customize the earbuds using the app. Just go to the Google Play Store and search for Tozo. You will find their app. I have already downloaded it. When you open the app, you can tap on the plus button and it will show your Tozo NC9 device. Once you select it, the earbuds connect to the app. After connecting, you can see the charging status of both earbuds and the case. There is an EQ option where you can customize the equalizer. You can log in to save your settings, and there are also multiple preset EQ options available. Based on the preset you choose, you can enjoy different sound profiles and vibes for different types of music. Once connected to the app, you can see options like tranitration mode, noise cancellation, wind noise reduction, leisure mode, and normal mode. These presets are customizable according to your preference. I tested the noise cancellation mode, and it activates very quickly and works impressively. There is also an option to reduce white noise, which is useful when you are outdoors or in windy environmental. You can adjust the level using a slider to customize how much noise reduction you want. Overall, this is a very impressive feature because the app allows you to fully customize the earbuds according to your needs. There is also a Remember My Settings option, so once you set everything, it automatically saves your preferences. The next time you use the earbuds, the same settings will be applied without needing to change anything again. Pretty much, that's everything about the Tozo NC9 earbuds. After testing the Tozo NC9 earbuds thoroughly in real-life situations, here's the final verdict. These earbuds deliver far more than you would expect from their price range. The active noise cancellation works impressively well, cutting out most background noise, while the transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings without removing the earbuds. The sound quality is balanced, clear, and immersive, with strong bass and crisp highs that make music, movies, and gaming sound engaging. The touch controls are responsive and intuitive, and the earbuds fit comfortably in the ears even during long listening sessions. Gaming performance is smooth with minimal latency, and the companion app adds a layer of customization that makes these earbuds feel premium. The battery life is solid, and the LED display on the case is a handy feature to keep track of charge. Overall, the Tozo NC9 is a versatile, high-performing, and stylish pair of earbuds that punches well above its price tag. So if you've been searching for earbuds that combine comfort, performance, and smart features without breaking the bank, the Tozo NC9 is definitely worth considering. Don't wait. Check them out today, experience the sound quality for yourself, and upgrade the way you listen to music, play games, and take calls on the go.